In this second series, I'll share insider tips, common challenges and how to overcome them, as well as real-world applications of writing high-quality SQL. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced SQL user, this video will provide you with valuable insights to help you improve your SQL coding skills and unlock the full potential of your data. Let's dive in and master the art of writing efficient, effective, and maintainable SQL code. Alright, imagine an e-commerce company like Amazon. They have a massive database of customer information, including purchase history, browsing behavior, demographics, and more. By mastering SQL fundamentals, a data analyst can personalize customer experiences. This query identifies budget-friendly beverages for personalized product recommendations. An analyst can also target marketing campaigns. This query targets specific demographics, that is US-based companies, for localized marketing campaigns. And finally, a data analyst can also segment the customers. This query identifies high-value customers based on their order count. By using SQL to segment customers, analyze their behavior, and identify key trends, e-commerce and other companies can increase their customer retention, improve customer satisfaction, optimize marketing spend, as well as gain a competitive advantage. These examples demonstrate how mastering SQL fundamentals can have a significant impact on business decisions, driving revenue growth, and improving overall customer experience. So, you've mastered the basics of SQL: the select, join, where. Now, let's dive deeper into advanced techniques that will unlock even greater power from your data. Subqueries are queries nested within another query. They allow you to perform complex filtering and calculations. This query finds the names of products that have been ordered in quantities of 20 or more. Window functions perform calculations across a set of rows related to the current row. Rank, for instance, assigns a rank to each row within a partition. Lead accesses the value of a column in the next row, while lag accesses the value of a column in the previous row. Row number can also be used to assign a unique number to each row within a partition. This query identifies frequent versus occasional buyers. All in all, window functions can be used to calculate running totals, identify trends over time, comparing performance within groups, and so on. So, imagine you're analyzing sales data for an e-commerce company like the one we're talking about. You can use window functions to calculate the year-over-year sales growth for each product. You can also use it to identify products with the highest sales within a specific time period. Finally, you can use it to determine the moving average of sales over the past 3 months. Common table expressions, also known as CTEs, are temporary named result sets defined within a SQL statement. They improve code readability and maintainability by breaking down complex queries into smaller, more manageable parts. This CTE identifies average number of sales orders for all years for the sales representatives. By mastering these advanced SQL concepts, you will be able to tackle more complex data analysis challenges, extract deeper insights, and significantly enhance your data querying abilities. Are you ready to take your SQL skills to the next level? Explore more of my online tutorials and courses, and practice efficiently, effectively, most importantly, consistently. That will help you to unlock the full potential of SQL and become a true data expert. Comment below and like this video as we proceed to talk about challenges for advanced SQL users and experts. Alright, it's time for us to dive deep into challenges faced by advanced SQL users and experts. We're going to explore the obstacles you might encounter as you delve deep into complex data analysis and how you can overcome them. First, dealing with slow-running queries on massive datasets can be a major bottleneck. Here's how you tackle this. Utilize your DBMS, Database Management System, to analyze query execution plans. Identify the bottlenecks like slow table scans or inefficient joins. Then, you can proceed to design and implement appropriate indexes to speed up your data retrieval. Think of indexes as shortcuts. They help the database find the data you need a lot faster. Summarize and aggregate your data into smaller, more manageable datasets for faster analysis. Then, create materialized views to pre-calculate and store frequently used results. This eliminates the need to recalculate them every time. Next up, processing terabytes or even petabytes of data efficiently requires specialized techniques. Utilize distributed database systems like Hadoop, Spark, or Snowflake to distribute the processing load across multiple machines. Leverage the parallel processing capabilities within your DBMS to execute queries concurrently. And divide large databases into smaller, more manageable chunks for faster processing. Then, ensuring data accuracy and consistency is crucial in complex, ever-changing databases. Implement triggers, which will help you enforce business rules and maintain data integrity. Utilize constraints like not null, unique, and foreign keys to enforce data validity. And conduct regular audits to identify and correct inconsistencies. Next up, the SQL landscape is constantly evolving, so you need to stay updated through online courses, conferences, and industry publications. Experiment with new features and technologies as well to expand your skill set. Do not underestimate your participation in online forums, attending meetups, and connecting with other SQL professionals to learn from each other and share your knowledge. You can start right now by commenting below to share your knowledge and communicate with other SQL enthusiasts. Finally, protecting data at rest and in transit is paramount. Implement robust encryption mechanisms to protect your data at all times. Implement fine-grained access control mechanisms to restrict access to sensitive data based on the user roles and permissions. Finally, employ techniques like data masking and anonymization to protect sensitive information while still allowing for data analysis. All in all, by proactively addressing these challenges and continuously expanding your knowledge and skills, you can effectively leverage the power of data to drive innovation and solve complex business problems. Thanks for watching. Happy querying, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video for more SQL tips and tricks.